testing the band. You guys are done? You guys are okay? The band people, steady. Yeah, meanwhile, if you know you're in the list to perform, come backstage. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any single time, DJ, you're good? Yeah, without wasting any single time, allow me to officially welcome our first performer. His name is Fifi Gunter! Yeah.
It's in the beats.
Yeah. Shut. Are you okay? Now me sing some beach. Give me the beach. Sir, hey girl, you give me the shake number. Beach. Give me the shut. You give me shut. Sir, you give me shake number. Shut. You give me shut. So be the girl, I'm with a Acholi gang in your laudi. Chamo kene bena nongo chala goody. Oh man, why you acting so local? You gotta put it like a girl from decent son. Are you okay? Sure. Hey, oh man, why you acting so local? You gotta put it like a so damn cute. Yeah. Sure, me not lucky that. Why you give me that? Me a ask for your number. Hey, yeah man. Hey girl, you give me fake number. You give me now. Sure, you give me. You give me. Sure, you give me fake number. Sure, you give me. Listen. Alur yeroneya inyoto lebe. Ibalo kubu. Ibalo lo. Sure. Iritika obadi. Yeah man. Them call me Fifi Gunter. Hey girl, you give me. You want me now? You give me. You give me now wrong number. You give me fake number. You give me fake number. You give me fake number. Now go Bonnie. Select a man. Thank you so much for giving me time to perform. Them call me Fifi Gunter. Big up on yourself, yo man. Sing the
I'm focused, I know exactly what I need. Let me hope I did not realize it late. But life ain't easy, food don't come on a silver platter. For y'all to eat, y'all gotta struggle day and night.